Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sonia Dugan. This is Southern Sassy Beauty, and I have a quick and easy step-by-step tutorial for you today on how to map out your eyebrows. Quick and easy, super simple. If this is something you're interested in, just stay tuned and keep watching. First and foremost, when you're mapping out your brow, you want to comb them up. So you just want to take them like this, comb them up. Second, what you want to do, instead of coming from the outside of your nose or the bridge of nose, you want to basically come up from your pupil up. You want to come this direction, up this direction, and then from the bridge of your nose out to the corner of your eye and your eyebrow. Okay, so we want to dip your brush in whatever product you want to use. I happen to be using a brow powder. You want to take just a little bit on the tip right here, up through the inner corner of your eye, and you're just going to place a little dot right here. Okay, just enough so you can see it. Secondly, get a little bit more if you need it on your brush. You want to come up on the center right here of your pupil, look straight into the mirror, and you want to put a little dot right here. So my little dot is right here. Okay. And then just a little bit more, and you want this to come out to the outside of your eye, up, right there. Okay, see that dot? So there's a dot right here, there's a dot right here, and there's a dot right here. So next, what you want to do is you want to come in and you want to attach this part to this top line here. So I'm going to take a little bit more, and I'm going to come in and do that. Now I'm doing a very light hand, because I am using a brow powder, and I don't want a really harsh line underneath there. You're just basically mapping that out to fill it in. Okay, you can see this, it looks a little wonky right now. Okay, now what you want to do is you want to take this line here and go down to here. Okay, again, I'm going to do this with a very soft hand. You can do this. You can do this procedure with a pencil, gel, or your brow powders, whatever you have and whatever you prefer. Now you want to go in and you want to go from this direction here up to that line. Again, I'm going to take a little bit more for me. And there you go. You see you've got it mapped out. What you want to do is you just want to fill in this so you have more of an ombre look here. So to do that, you just take some more of your powder and you just come in and you start filling it in. Okay. See how that's starting to look? And then right through here, you just want to go in. And I always start my brows when I'm doing my brows. I usually start right in here because I want this darker. Okay. Now what you can do is you're going to take this area here where you've put that line and you're going to just start flicking it up. Okay. And you're also going to notice that your hair is darker than your skin. So what you want to do is take a little bit more on that brush, and you want to use a pouncing method. And what that will do is that'll really get that skin, that product on your skin, and make your brows a little darker. And then I always just take a little bit more and I do it like this. And then I start, and then I'll take this brush at the angle because I'm using an angle brush, and I will just place it, and it's just the perfect size to do that. See that? That, my friends, is how you map out your eyebrows. If this tutorial was helpful to you, please subscribe, share, like it, do all the things, and I'll see you back later. Bye.